In this video, we are going to fix 0x80072f02 when doing Windows XP update. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the SFC scan. How we can do that at the search box here, please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until you can see a command prompt system under the best match, and from that you need to navigate here at the right side and go with Run as Administrator. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window, and please type for SFC space /scan now. Once done typing, click on the enter key in your keyboard and wait until this would be finished. Okay? So this will help you to fix the problem, okay? And wait until it would be completed. And once you have completed this step, you need to close this window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to run the Windows update again and see if it's working. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the next solution, and that is to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. At these settings, directly navigate to the left pane, find for an option which is the system, click on it. Once you have opened the system settings, you need to scroll down on the list, proceed to troubleshoot. After that, navigate to other troubleshooters, and under the most frequent, go with Windows Update and click on Run corresponding to this one, okay? So wait until the process of troubleshooting would be finished, and once you have done it, you need to close this window and then run the Windows Update again, sorry, and see if the Windows Update is not working. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the third and last solution, and that is to reset the Windows Update components. How we can do that? First is I want you to copy the code that I have provided at the YouTube description. This one, you need to copy this. Okay? So just copy under the code, not the code itself. Just delete the code itself, only this one. Okay? So please copy and paste it to the notepad, and then from that, go with the file here, click on Saved As, and please put a name on it. Example, in my case, I would like to name it Fix Update. Once you have named it, please add an extension for dot or full stop, then BAT. Then click on the desktop as your location and then click on saved. Once you have done it, you need to close this window, proceed to the .bat file that you have created, make a right click, and then you need to go with this run as administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So wait until this would be finished. And then once you have done all of this one, you need to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed, okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.